Protective rubber coating. Each end is encased in thick rubber to protect your weights and floors from damage. Durable chrome handles. Textured knurling provides a non-slip surface that fights against sweat to secure your grip. Hexagonal shape prevents rolling. A unique dumbbell shape promotes stationary storage so your dumbbell won't roll away mid-workout. Progressive strength training. Choose between a wide range of weights to build your personal home gym. Sold individually. Resistance training is great for building strength in your arms, chest, back, core, and legs. Top reviews from the United States. Great price. This product is exactly what I wanted at a great price. These dumbbells were cheaper in price but higher in quality than the local chain stores. When I buy more, it will be this brand right here on Amazon.